What's up guys, it's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Aurora burst filter on TikTok. Okay, so it's very simple to go ahead and get this filter. If you go to the TikTok camera and you head to the TikTok camera by tapping the plus icon in the middle of the screen at the bottom, that will take you to the TikTok camera, and then you can see it says effects there at the bottom left hand corner. If you tap on effects, underneath the trending effects, which I have selected over here, you can see the first one in the first row is the Aurora filter or the Aurora burst filter. So if I tap on that, so this is what the filter looks like, and I can go ahead and flip the camera, so you can do this on objects as well. So here's the microphone, and then you can see it creates that cool effect on whatever object you place it on. So let's say you're not finding the effect from within this effects tab. What you can do is you can go out of the TikTok camera, and then you can tap on the discover tab. It's here. If you go next to the home button, then discover, and then in the search bar you just want to type Aurora burst. Once you've typed in Aurora burst, it should pop up with the effect that says Aurora burst, and then you can go ahead and tap on that. But if you're not finding that effects section over there, what you can do is you can scroll down and you can see different videos using the filter. So if I go ahead and tap on this one, for example, and I tap on above the person's username, it says view links. Let me just go back to one that's just using the filter. So this one right here, you can see above the person's username it says Aurora burst. I can go ahead and tap on that, and then that takes me to the filter page. But for any reason, if you cannot get to this filter page, what I'll do is I'll tap that share button at the top right, and then I'll copy the link, and then I'll put that link in the description of the video. So once you're on the effects page, you can add it to your favorites so you can quickly get access to it later. You can browse all the other videos using the filter, and when you're ready to go ahead and record your video, just go ahead and tap the record button at the bottom. The filter will just take a moment to be applied, and then you can see this filter is in action. I personally like it if you put it on different objects, but you can create your video however you would like to do. So that is how you would get the filter. Then all you would need to do is go ahead and press record. Something like that, and when you're done you can go ahead and press the tick mark, add your sounds, add your different effects. You can add text over your video, and then when you're done just tap on next, and then you can describe your video, add your hashtags, tag your friends, and then set your settings, and then you can go ahead and post that. So that is how you get the Aurora burst filter on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more TikTok filters. Take care.